Morning, morning. Got another one today. It's like M5 fire carbon. It's hot. Oh yeah, shit's hot. We got a valvetronic setup on this M5 today, so I'll get to unboxing it, get the car in the air. Oh damn. Yeah, it's pretty baller. So this is what we got. So I guess pretty much has a kit on there already. Not sure what kind. But yeah, we gotta swap it. Stock muffler still. But yeah, this is the kit. It's a full titanium kit from Valvetronic. These are tips that they came with. The customer doesn't want these on, and so you did go with some carbons. So yeah, let's get the old system off. All right, this time we'll use some Kimball. We call this the red stuff. Better than WD. And with BMW, they always got plastics, braces, all that shit. You gotta take it all off. Some of them are 10s, some of them are 8s, and then these 13s right here. 17s. Motors on both sides. One over here, one over here. Just push tabs. Alright, I got some stands set up. Obviously, I'm on a lift. You gotta get those 13s on the hangers. And we're gonna pick one of these slips, slide back. Not sure which one yet. Whatever, which one's easier. Alright, forgot about these. You can disconnect the ear. I think that's a 10, but I'm just gonna. Like so. Take a 15. That's 15. How to split it in two. I'm gonna rip this front section off now. Now that we got that out the way, we got room to work. Time for the goods. Alright, we're gonna start with you first. Looks like a driver's side. Alright, so when you're doing the front section, make sure you put these two together before you put it on the front, because you won't be able to get this X pipe on. Now we gotta do the tips. Alright, now that I got everything installed, I'm gonna go through all these clamps, do some adjusting, start from the front, work my way back. I like all my clamps symmetrical, even, both sides, as you can tell. So yeah. Alright, so now we gotta do the wiring part. We gotta wire the motors up for the mufflers, the valves, I should say. I believe the battery's under here, so we're gonna pretty much got the trunk so we can get to the battery and run these on. Alright, so after you take the cover off, you'll see this little plug right here. You just pop that out. That is the heat shield that's under the car. So if you look back, you see daylight right there. You just push it over. You can either cut it, trim it, whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to snake the wire straight through there. Alright, so this is the setup. There's obviously the brain here. These are the wires that go to the motors. Obviously you have your remotes, your antenna. Okay, your antenna. So Forgot BMW has a cigarette lighter back here, so we can just use that. Plug it in, run it through the carpet, under the carpet, I mean. Mount the brain right here. As you can see, I already ran the wires down, so we're good there. Alright, so got the power wired. Got it under the carpet, as you can see. Zip tied it right here behind the battery. There's the brain right there. Then I got those going through there. I might have to pull some slack in, so I don't have this much slack outside the car. So I might pull it back up a little bit, zip tie it up here. This works.